All right, my friends, we are back today. We are going to make the second installment of this journal page. Part of the way I like to cover my journals right now is with these gorgeous strips of collaged papers. And that is what I'm going to show you today. So I'm hoping you got all your papers done last week, that you had a blast. These are the ones that I made. I also have scraps of ribbon. I have scraps of paper. So get all your happy scraps and don't get overwhelmed because it looks like a mess. It's not, I promise. It might look like a mess when we're done, but your finished product is going to be beautiful. All right, so here's what you're going to need. You're going to need your scraps. I'm using an old cookie sheet and a roll of packing tape from the dollar store. You can use wax paper, you can use a plastic lid, you can use all kinds of stuff. Well, that's not working, is it? Here we go. All right, so I'm going to tear off a length, yes, a length of this tape, like so. This tape is notorious for sticking to itself, so I always have to make sure I do that. All right, so you are going to want the sticky side up. So I have an end that's already been folded, and I turn that over just so a tiny bit of stickiness is on there. And then I fold this back end like so. So now it's all on the cookie sheet. And the next thing you do is you just start taking your fodder that you have done and sticking it to the back of the tape. So I will cut, I will tear. Yeah, I told you, is this just the prettiest thing all by itself? Yes. It's like magic. Okay, I have a long piece here I'm going to use. I'm going to take my ribbon. I thought I was going to take that little scrap of ribbon. Let's try more scrap of ribbon. And I'm also going to lay that on here. Cut that. I have scraps of paper that I like. I'm just going, oh, here it is, to start laying this here. Then I'm going to take some of my tissue. Now the tissue, because it's in two layers, sometimes it will stick together, sometimes it will not, and that's okay. I really like this little bit, so I'm going to put it up here. And then this little bit is darker, so I'm going to just put it here. Then I'm going to use the rest of this, put some polka dotties in here. Like I said, they're super cute all on their own. Now these little strips, you're going to lay like that, and you might have some that overhang and don't stick to the tape, so just grab a glue stick and then you can adhere it like that. I think I'm going to use a little bit brighter, kind of like the sheet music that I did. And I'm going to put this here and this here. I also have scraps of some really beautiful paper that I think I'll lay on here because I really like this together. Oh, This is just pretty. I really like this. I'm going to lay it this way. And let's see, I like this here. There's a little spot, but again, it's not completely on top of the tape, so I'm going to glue it down so that it stays. And then I might put this one here. Like that. Let's see, this one is a little off the tape. And then I might have little tiny pieces like that that I want to make sure I cover. So I'll take a little piece like this. And I'll take a little piece like this. And then that way I don't have any of the tape showing through. I do have some here, so I'm going to take this little guy and put it right here. I have some on the edge. Just going to do it like that. I have just a little bit here. Oops, I dropped the paper towels. I'll put that there. And I have a little bit right here. What do I have? Like that. Cover up all those spots. Now when I take this off, I can kind of see where I might need to add some glue to make sure it's adhered on there. Okay, and then I like to turn it over. I don't mind the fabric going over the side or the ribbon, but I am going to trim the paper bits. Okay, and now you have your scrap that you can lay inside your journal. And honestly, you can use these for so many things. You can put them on cards, on gift bags. You can put them on envelopes. Anyway, you get the idea. So this is step 2. Join me next week. We're going to finish up making the last little inset of our journal page. But I hope this week you have a blast using up all the tape in the world and all your scraps and enjoying every minute of just making something pretty. Something just really, really pretty. All right. Don't forget, like and subscribe so that you know when the next video comes up, and I will see you next week.